Oh wait, I saw a tweet earlier. I saw a request. Hold on, I can do this. Do you guys know of Mclovin the cat? Do you guys know of Mclovin the cat? He's my favorite cat. He's one of my favorite cats. And there's a very old YouTube video of him in a very shitty looking bathtub, and he's going like this. His mouth is half submerged in the water. His mouth is half submerged in the water, and he's trying to call for help. It sounds like this. Mclovin! Am I really a cat? No, I'm not a cat. Because I'm loving this bath. This is immensely relaxing. Okay? Immensely relaxing. Thank you very much for the Aka Super. Thank you so much. I love you. I'm not cute. I'm fucking horrifying. Mclovin. Spit in my mouth, I dare you. Hold on, let me get a fucking... Hang on. Yeah. That was a whole... I think I got some bath water in my mouth and I spat it out. That was like a fucking fireball of water.